Hi, this is here for the Doogee X97 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So let's first open the Settings application, then scroll down to the Intelligent Assistant section. Just to activate Quick Launch, by double press the power key button, we should click here to the switcher to quickly open Camera app. So after that, just let's try. Let's press twice to the power key and we can see that this option successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, by the same way, go to Intelligent Assistant and tap to the switcher to turn off this option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.